Rachel Flum, the Executive Director of the Economic Progress Institute, and we at the Economic Progress Institute, as with most of you in the room, believe that all Rhode Islanders share a vision of a state where we have great schools, we have great early learning opportunities for our children, we have safe roads and bridges, we have vibrant communities, prosperous families, and access to quality and affordable health care and housing. The primary way we get to these goods and services that we all need and rely on is through our taxes. For far too long, the state has failed to raise the revenues needed to provide these goods and services, and also our tax code is upside down. That means that the least among us, the least able to pay, are those earning about $21,000 a year, are actually paying 50% more of their total of their income, 50% more of their total income in taxes. If you take account of all taxes together, so sales tax, property tax, and income tax, then the top 1% of the earners in our state do. And the middle income Rhode Islanders are also paying a higher percentage of their total income in taxes than our highest 1%. This campaign, focused on legislation being introduced by Chairman Connolly and Rep. Alzate, seeks to partially remedy these two challenges. This bill before us today will create a new tax bracket on the top 1% of earners, which is defined by those earning $475,000 a year or more, and the tax would be just for those earnings above that amount. This would help create fairness to the tax code, ensuring that the middle income Rhode Islanders pay no more than the highest 1% of earners. And it would bring much needed revenue to the state. We estimate it would bring $128 million in needed revenue. This $128 million could help fund many of the programs that we in this room care about. Early learning and childcare, K-12 education, criminal justice programs, housing, healthcare, services for seniors and those with disabilities, and income supports for our poorest children. We think this is a reasonable, common sense proposal that is fair and just, and we look forward to working with all of you to make it policy this year.